Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. An update on SUI. And I actually have some interesting things to say about it, I believe. Because I did some research and I keep myself up to date on all of the developments regarding the SUI network and the SUI token. So right now, first of all, technically it looks like we're making some lower highs and it looks like we're technically not trending. So there's not a lot to worry about yet. But you can see that the EMAs, for example, are now functioning as resistance and they are dropping down a little bit. So that could be seen as a bit bearish. And then apart from that, the network statistics worry me a bit. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. Now, before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. So now on to SUI. So the problem I have with it, and that's also why I made such a ridiculous thumbnail, it's a bit of clickbait, of course. But SUI, the network, is really not thriving. I mean, the last couple of days, or at least last week, we were still getting a total value locked of about 35 million, which is pretty good, but now it dropped down all the way to 24 million. So to put that into perspective with some other chains, 24 million in total value locked. Right now, where that ranks is about the same place as Tezos and Injective and Hedera and Conflux, which are great projects, all right? I do not want to say that they are not good projects. The thing is that SUI has a way higher market cap than them. And SUI is right now listed at what place? I'm not even sure, at 69th. Well, I actually don't know if they have a higher market cap then. It's just that I feel like they should be a little bit higher in total value locked. And it's also still decreasing. And then apart from that, the daily active addresses are really low. Like Aptos, for example, after launch also had a drop down, but they still consolidated on top of something like 10,000 daily active addresses. So the network is not doing that great, and that in combination with some renewed bearish momentum makes me a bit scared. My original thought was always that we will just consolidate, so kind of what we've been doing. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame, for example, and then at some point of time we can rally. I still think that, but I am a little bit more worried about SUI. So right now on the short term, what we're going to do is I still think we're in a consolidation, right? So we hit that top around 1.25. I still think that we can get back up there, but now we're just trying to find a strong support. So we're now at that support around 1.11, 1.12. Below us is this level around 1.8 or 1.08 and 1.09. I think we're going to drop down there because at some point of time, what we're trying to do is you cannot really predict how far we're going to fall. We could fall down all the way to 1.04 and 1.02 again, this level. It just depends on when we get a certain reaction. So what we are looking for is to get a bullish breakout and some bullish momentum from a support level. So for example, when we drop down here, you can see that this level where we are right now, we got some bullish momentum, we got a bullish breakout. So that was our support for then. So right now, I do not think this level is strong enough. There's too much resistance right here at 1.15, 1.14, and even 1.13. So I think we'll drop down to that level right here around 1.1 and 1.08. We'll find support there. All right, but from that support, we would actually need to get a bullish breakout above 1.11 in order for us to get back up from that level. All right, so we're just testing all of the levels. And then at each level, what we're trying to do is to get some sort of bullish momentum in the form of a bullish breakout. So for now, I think we'll drop down to that level. If at 1.08, which I kind of do expect, we can get a bullish breakout above 1.11, then we'll just start trending back up towards 1.15 and 1.18 and stuff. But I'll keep you updated on that. If we cannot get that bullish breakout, by the way, or if we get some bearish momentum from Bitcoin, for example, then we'll just drop down to our next level around 1.04 and try the same. But like I said, I will keep you updated on that. For now, this is my take on SUI. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.